Tell me when you like it on the headlight. Does that look good on the headlight? Where does it look good on the headlight? Like, does it look center in the headlight? It's hard for me to, I can measure up, I still can't. Go ahead. That looks good right there? It looks good. Not interested in making a bunch of weld marks on the headlight unless it's right. Got a little gap, quite a bit of a gap going on there, but I'll deal with it. Now, I should have a measuring tape, go there to there, but does it look good like that? I'm going to do this. See, I don't know. We have 5 3/8 there. If I put it 5 3/8 back here, oh, that's 5 3/8 right on. Does that look good right there? It's right on the money. 5 3/8. What's that? So if I tack, it's okay? All right. Then I'm going to stand back and take a look at it. 5 3/8. Right on the money. 5 3/8. 5 3/8. 5 3/8. I know, really. I got the ticks on her. That's almost 5 and... No, 5 3. That's good. Measuring tape. That's funny. What's going on? That looks good. I'm just going to tack the 4 corners and go for the next one. And I can always knock all this off. Not a problem. Let's do the next one. We've got 2 of these cut. We've got our square head right there. Did that pull over too far now? Let's do. Oh, we got the ends to cut. Better get at it here. What's that? Can do that. So basically what's going to happen up here is if there's going to be 2 pieces come in here, we just do the exact same thing. But we need, I don't think the pieces need to be rounded at all, to be honest with you. They just look flat to me.